That sucks.
Oh, tell me you got that. Oh, tell me you got that.
Oh, I got that. Is he okay, dude? He looks pissed.
That's exactly what's gonna happen. What?
Yeah, at least I didn't do that.
Where are the goggles? Where are your goggles? I don't even know.
My God! Oh, I see him floating. See him? Chris, look at me. Are you okay? Those are mine.
Yeah, I can't fix my contact. They're in my eyes, just like...
Hey, Chris, I have to say it. I don't think you're going fast enough.
I was flying!
It wasn't even pinned.
Were you holding it wide open while you were across? While you were across? Yeah, dude, and I just fucking hit that shit. It's like... Did you get that on video?
Oh, yeah.
I want to see it. All you see is you going, and then there's a big old puddle, and then the quad's upside down. Yeah, you better start.
Yeah, I think so.
What? Oh. You happy? I fucking...
Hey, let it idle.